Hi guys, welcome back to another one. We're going to make a cauliflower wrap. I've got jalapenos, tomatoes, hummus, bell peppers, red onion, and obviously the cauliflower, and I've got my tortilla wrap. So guys, I shredded, cut, sliced everything, and then I mixed it with paprika, vegetable seasoning, and I'm just going to chuck all of that in the air fryer for about 5 to 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes guys. I do keep checking it every 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that it's cooked. You really don't have to because the timer on the air fryer is perfect, but I just like checking it. I don't know, it's a habit of mine. Guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Okay, like the video. So guys, it looks ready. I'm going to pop it to the side and we're going to make the wraps now. So that's all ready. So what I've got for the top ups, I've got some cheese, I've got some sweet chili, I've got some mayo, garlic, hummus, I've got some cucumber and the extra bits that we're going to put, and I've got my coriander, onion. I've sliced it also. Let's get to wrapping. Guys, there is no right or wrong way of doing it. You really do what you want to do with it. So first off, I will just add the hummus, you know, just spread it on top. But like I said, there is no right or wrong way of doing it, you know, but I like to put the hummus as a base, and then I just chop all the ingredients together. With the cauliflower, I did let it cool down for about 2 minutes because it is still quite hot, so let it cool down before you start wrapping it up. But yeah, just add everything on there, and then build your wrap up according to what you want to do. So now I've just put the red onions, then I'm adding the jalapeno for that extra kick. So for that extra spice, I've got my sliced tomatoes. Again, all these ingredients you can pick and choose what you want to add, and I've got my fresh cucumber, and then I'm just adding the fresh herb. It just the coriander just gives it that extra freshness, you know, and then the smell as well. Absolutely delicious. And then I'm just gonna spread it with my sauces. Again, this will depend on you, but I've got garlic, mayo, and I've got the sweet chili. Yeah, so you don't have to add the sauces if you want to have less calories in your wrap, because, or less sugar as well, minus the sauces. We're gonna sprinkle some cheese now, and then we're gonna fold our wrap. That's it. And that's how I make my tortilla cauliflower wrap. Perfect for lunches, perfect. Okay, and it's a char grill wrap. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. These are perfect snacks. Everybody loves a good wrap, you know. Perfect if you have children or just lunch, you know, you want to cook something simple. Once I wrap these up, I'm going to do a few, and then I'm going to pop them in the air fryer, so I can just grill it up a bit, and then it will be ready to be served. Okay, guys, if you are new to the channel and you have never come across this channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. If you are returning, I really do appreciate it, and I love your support. Let's grow on this platform. Let's continue to grow and support each other. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this simple, quick, easy, healthy wrap. Again, there's different types of wraps out there you can use, but this is, I love this. When I made it and I ate it, it was so good, guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.